Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will discuss about some important unit of measurements. This video is purely based on previous year questions. It will be very helpful for those students who are appearing for Group D examinations. My video is purely based on previous year examinations. Let us first discuss some important units. Unit of luminous intensity, it's candela. Unit of intensity of sound is decibel. Unit of power of lens, diopter. Unit of depth of sea is fathom. A plane angle and solid angle. Unit of plane angle is radian. Unit of solid angle is steradian. Astronomical unit, that is unit is light year. Remember, light year is the unit of length. Now discuss about fundamental units and some derived units. You already know unit of length is meter, unit of time is second, unit of mass is kilogram. Remember, all these are SI units, okay, not CGS. All these are SI units. Unit of mass is kilogram. Unit of area, you know, length into length, so square meter. Volume, length into length into length, so cubic meter. Unit of velocity, meter per second, you know, velocity is distance upon time. Meter for distance, second for time. Acceleration, you know, acceleration is velocity upon time. So unit of velocity is meter per second. Then another time, so time square it meter per second square. Unit of density, mass by volume, kilogram per meter cube. Unit of momentum, you know, momentum is mass into velocity, okay. So kilogram for mass and meter per second for velocity. So unit of momentum is kilogram into meter per second. Work, unit of work is joule. Unit of energy is joule. Unit of force is Newton. Unit of pressure, Pascal or Newton per meter square. Unit of frequency, hertz. Frequency, you know, 1 upon time. Unit of power, watt. Unit of weight, Newton. Impulse, you know, force into time. So unit of impulse is Newton into second. Unit of heat, joule. Unit of temperature, Kelvin. Resistance, unit of resistance is ohm. Also remember, conductance, another is conductance. Unit of conductance is mho, okay, mho, or we can also say Siemens. Okay. Unit of electric current is ampere. Unit of charge is coulomb. Unit of electromotive force, that is volt. Unit of electric energy, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour, kWh. Electric power, kilowatt or simply watt. Let us discuss some important units also additional. You know, magnetic flux, magnetic flux. The unit of magnetic flux is Weber. Remember, this is very important. Weber is SI unit. Weber is SI unit. A CGS unit is Maxwell. Remember, CGS unit of magnetic flux is Maxwell. SI unit is Weber, CGS unit is Maxwell. Another important, magnetic flux density. Okay, magnetic flux density. Magnetic flux density. SI unit is Tesla. Okay, CGS unit is Gauss, Gauss. Gauss. Remember, this is very important. One is magnetic flux, which unit is Weber and Maxwell. Another is magnetic flux density, which units are Tesla. Tesla is SI unit. CGS unit is Gauss. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.